Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a FabFitFun unboxing. This is my summer box. I have a change of scenery. Finally, we are at the lake house. We come here pretty much every weekend in the summer. Whenever we don't have something going on in the city, we come out here. And we've been here for about 3 days now, so maybe 4 actually. So I am a few shades darker. I think you can probably see my serious tan line. I'm gonna jump right into it, show you guys what I got in this unboxing. I have sunnies and my hat because I have zero makeup and my hair is a hot mess under here. So I'm gonna get started. This is my newspaper-like stuff, which explains what I'm getting and it gives me a little tip and tricks on what to do with it. First things first is something that I'm definitely going to use within the next couple of days. This is Sunscreen Lotion, the sports version by Kula. It is an SPF 50, it is a non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. Definitely something I will be using and need to use while I'm out here. We're still going to be out here for a couple more days, so I need it. Then I've got a Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. This is a hydrating body scrub. Doesn't sound like it smells very good. This has a pretty good seal to it, so I think I'm going to hang on to it. I have a little bit of a fascination with products with charcoal. This has charcoal, so that's pretty awesome. Then I have a little wristlet. Perfect for storing your cards in here. It's very simple, very minimal. You're taking off? Okay. Are you gonna come back?
Yeah, I'll come back at I'll come back at 20 minutes.
Alright. So the little wristlet is by Minor History. I kind of like that name for some reason. But anyway, the colors are really nice. It's a peachy color with a little gold front here. Kind of a glittery gold, but not too glittery, like just the right amount of glittery. Anyway, I really like it. And then this is like the perfect timing for this thing to arrive. This is a hair protectant spray. I literally just ran out of mine like 2 days ago, and I've been using this little sample, which is not going to last more than a day. So this is perfect. This protects up to 450-degree heat protection, provides humidity control, shields from environmental stressors, helps repair split ends, preserves shine, smooths hair cuticle, promotes softness, helps maintain color, and refreshes curls. Seriously, the list goes on and on. Definitely going to crack into this one very, very soon. Then I've got a Tarte Pro Glow palette. Let's see. Can't get it out. Push it. This is like seriously in here. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's the heat. Anyway. And here it is. Definitely the colors I like to wear. These are right up my alley. And they smell good too. I have a thing about makeup that smells good. I really like it. This is super cute. I really, really like the palette and how it opens up like double doors. So yeah, this is a highlight and contour palette. Then I got, the heck is this? This is a Foreo Luna Bofo. I'm gonna need my paper for this one. Alright, apparently this is an exclusive launch, and it says, guess what, you're one of the first to get your hands on the Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. Very interesting. So let's see. It says it measures your skin's moisture, reveals skin age. It customizes cleansing routine, and the app records your progress. Very interesting. I might just have to follow up on this one. Maybe create its own little video and see what it says about my skin. I feel like I have pretty decent skin, although there's always room for improvement, of course, but I might just have to do a follow-up on this one, you guys, and see what it says about me. Then I got a Pier 1 box. This is I feel like I've got plugs all over me. This is a marble ring dish by Pier 1 Imports, of course. Very cute. I love the color. It goes well with anything. And you just put your knickknacks on top. Very versatile. A baggie. This is by Yumi Kim, and it is a makeup train case. I like the navy blue. There were two options for colors. It was this navy blue, more like a floral. It definitely go with more of a solid for me. So I have my travel case that is pretty old, and I think it will finally get replaced by this one. So it has two different compartments. It has a top one, which you can store like your brushes here. It has like little pockets and a little flap, a little plastic flap to take care of them, I guess. I don't know. And a little elastic thing. I'm not sure what that's for. This one will definitely come in handy. Awesome. And then, actually, I'm done. Although, it looks like somebody left a straw in here. Funny, huh? Actually, this is a green straw. Did they talk about it? Yes, it says, Raising Awareness for Wildlife Conservation Society. Here's some facts for you guys. I love to read these because it does raise a big awareness, and it makes us as humans realize how much crap we're throwing away and is ending up in the ocean. And I don't know, it bugs me a lot, you guys. I am pretty much 90% against single-use products. I mean, I use them once in a while when I have to because they are very handy, but I try my hardest to always carry a reusable water bottle. This is like my staple, honestly. Wherever I go, I carry my own water bottle. Here are some facts for you guys. More than 260 species of wildlife have ingested plastic or Hey guys, so of course my battery died, and I'm going to try to make this finale real quick because my kiddo's already up from his nap, and I want to try to get him out of the sun as soon as I possibly can. So I was talking about that straw when my battery died. I was going to shoot you guys with some facts they have here. I'm not sure where I left off, so I'm going to start all over again. More than 260 species of wildlife have ingested plastic or have become entangled in plastic debris. By 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than fish. That kind of really hurts my soul, you guys. If current trends continue, 2 million metric tons of plastic waste will be in landfills or in the natural environment by 2050. I don't know how things like numbers like those don't target or kind of hit us in the soul to know that we are producing that much plastic, and the fact that we can avoid it is kind of what bugs me the most. Stuff like this is just such an easy swap that I feel needs to be done worldwide. Enough of my yap about that. I am a big tree hugger, and if you guys watch my Instagram, you guys know that my kiddo also likes to hug trees, literally. Alright you guys, I'm gonna get this kiddo out of the sun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will try my hardest to get back to you guys. I know I'm pretty bad at that. But anyway, I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Okay. Good, of course. Just a little flexing. I know. I'm sorry. I'm done. He is ready to get back in the water. It is so hot and humid here. We've been dealing with like 90-degree weather in heat and humidity. So we're struggling. As you guys can see, I've turned a few shades darker and I'm trying to keep that kiddo in the shade or with sunscreen, protect his fair new skin as much as I probably can. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.